In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type fraction in Canva. If you've ever tried to add a clean, stacked fraction to your design and found regular text formatting a bit limiting, this method will make it quick and reliable. We'll use a built-in app inside Canva to create a proper fraction, then place it in your project with just a couple of clicks. Start by opening the Canva project you want to work on. Make sure you're in the editor view so you can see the left-hand sidebar. On that sidebar, click Apps. This opens a gallery of tools that extend what you can do in Canva. In the Apps section, use the search bar and type Equations. When you see the Equations app appear in the results, click it to open. You'll now see a panel with a typing area, sometimes labeled as a type field. Click inside that field so your cursor is active. This is where you'll build your fraction. You can type letters, numbers, and symbols directly, but the fastest way to set up a fraction is with the symbol palette just below the field. Look underneath the typing area for the symbols section. This is a set of ready-made mathematical elements you can insert. Find the fraction symbol. It looks like an empty numerator and denominator separated by a horizontal bar, and click it. The fraction template will appear in the typing field, ready for your values. Next, click on the top part of the fraction to enter your numerator, then click on the bottom part to enter your denominator. Take your time and make sure each value is in the right place. If you need to fix anything, just backspace or highlight and retype. You can also add surrounding text or additional symbols in the field if your fraction is part of a larger expression. When everything looks correct, head to the bottom of the panel and click Insert Equation. Canva will place the neatly formatted fraction into your design, so it looks clean and professional right away. If you don't see the fraction at first, double check that you clicked Insert Equation, since that final button is what sends it to your canvas. And if the fraction symbol isn't visible in the symbols area, scroll through the options until you find it. That's all you need. Open your project, go to Apps, search for the Equations app, use the symbols to insert a fraction, enter your values, and click Insert Equation. You're done.